Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And would you look at the portfolio? It is bouncing back more today. More. Let's actually look at this ETF QQQ. See how good the market looks like. The market's just going. It's bouncing back. V-shape recovery. I actually did not want this to happen. I've been saying this in the past few videos. I want the market to continue to go down. I think everything's overvalued still. The good thing is so far is that NEO is still under $45. I hope it can stay like this until the end of the week because I have this option play. I sold a put option for 45 bucks. So if NEO can stay under $45, I'll be able to get 100 shares for 45 bucks, which means I have to put up $4,500 and I get to get 100 shares worth of NEO. And that's what I want. And I get to keep the premium also. The premium being 213. So that's going to be a win-win if that happens. If it doesn't happen, I just get to keep the premium and NEO will be over 45 bucks. And I've been saying this also that I want to have about 500 shares of NEO under 100 bucks. That's my goal. That's what I want. So if I can get these 100 shares, I'll just have 200 shares more to go. And then I can focus on another stock to go hard in. And I'm probably deciding probably to go with either MP, Jumia, or Corsair Gaming. MP is doing actually really well. Really freaking good. It has not stopped going up. And it has a 6 billion market cap. I don't know. I might have to see how their earnings go and all that stuff so I can get a better understanding on what their projections are as a company. Yeah. Jumia, their earnings came out. They're not doing that good. They are not doing that good. But like I said, I've been saying Jumia has that potential, just the pure potential of being a massive e-commerce in a whole freaking continent. If Jumia can take over all of Africa, like how the United States has Amazon and how China has Alibaba, Jumia, there's no doubt in my mind, Jumia can be a 10 billion, 20 billion, 30 billion, 40, 50, 60, 100 billion in market cap in the next 10 to 20 years. Like, there's no doubt in my mind that it could take over there. But I'm had to see the numbers, man. I think it might take a lot longer than people expect. That's what the numbers are showing me, and you would expect that the pandemic would like speed up the process of them taking over, but it's not actually speeding up the process. It's actually slowing down the process. At least that's what they're saying. And for me, I'm willing to take that risk because it's say the potential for Jumia is like long term 20 plus 10, 20 years. 100 billion, right? Like compared to Alibaba and Amazon, these other companies, they're basically going to be way more than $1 trillion companies in the next 10 to 20 years. I'm just saying that right now. Like, if you don't think, I mean, Amazon's already a $1 trillion company and Alibaba's damn near close to it, I believe. And then you see Jumia being a $3 billion company and it's supposedly the number one player in the e-commerce place over there. There's no doubt in my mind that Jumia will be at least 100 billion, right? It's just logical if it can do everything correctly, right? If it doesn't do anything correctly, I mean, I still think it will succeed, but not as much as it could have been. But even then, Jumia has the name, it's the branding, it has the food delivery, it has the online retail store, it has their own payment system. It's doing so many things, and I think it's gonna take some time. But just because of the name and just because it's well known over there, I'm willing to take that risk. And if I lose, then I lose. And then Corsair Gaming, I actually want to get a few hundred shares of Corsair Gaming. I want to get a few hundred shares of MP, Jumia, and Corsair right here. Dropbox is actually going stupid now. It's finally moving upwards. After like months of it just stagnating, it's finally going up. And look at that. I'm up 34%. Let's look at my option play. My option play is up 65%. I'm planning on holding this baby until it hits $40. Double my money, and then I'm dipping out of it. and then I'm putting that money into these other ones. I think actually I don't know. Maybe it can go up even more. Maybe it's just better just to hold on for the long run. But I think the time has passed. Unless it dips back down to under 23 bucks, I'm not gonna be even considering to purchase Dropbox. I think this was the time to buy it right here. The last time, unless it dips back down, there's no need to. I don't think it's a good idea to buy it anymore. But yeah, my price targets for Dropbox were to hit 40 plus, $40 in this year to beginning of next year. Corsair Gaming, it's at 34 bucks. 34 bucks. I think anything below 40 is a good buy. So still a good opportunity to buy for Corsair. Jumia, this one is a more speculative in my opinion. I think if anyone wants to get into this, they should do their own research. And I'm purely in Jumia just because of the potential. MP, same thing. I need to see how their earnings go. It's a relatively new company. They basically haven't shown any of their numbers, but it's the only one that does what it does in the Western Hemisphere. And because of the electric car wave that's coming, MP Material is bound to benefit from it. And it has a lot of it going, like a lot of it that's going for it. And sorry, I just woke up. I just woke up. I saw the market was closed. I freaking got out of the graveyard shift yesterday. And I had to freaking make videos, man. I had to freaking make videos. But MP, I think MP is a good buy. I'm gonna have to see how the numbers are. If MP has good numbers, I must still have to buy some more. Like I think this one has potential to hit 200 bucks. Shopify is always gonna be a good buy. Always gonna be a good buy to me. Afria, same thing. This baby went all the way up to 32 bucks here. It's already at $22. I don't know if people are getting back into it because of what's been going on with Reddit, but I haven't really been in the loop with that. But yeah, that's a little quick update. We're back above 30K. We're getting close to, we actually passed up above 31,000. Highest point so far at 31.5. We're still down in the past month. Past week we're recovering fast. Past month we're down 17%. 3 months we're up 32%. Past year we're up 93%. We basically are getting close to the lowest points of what happened last year with the coronavirus. Um, uh, yeah, I really wanted the markets to continue to go down. It didn't go down as much as I wanted it to. I was prepared to um to deposit money if I was even getting close to a margin call, but it didn't get close to that, which I was surprised because I was expecting the markets to go down more, at least more and slowly. But it looks like it's just going back up and it's going back up fast, V shape. So that's all of today's little update. I'll catch you guys in the next one.